For the O, we decided to focus on the Newton Hawker Centre. The Newton Hawker Centre is one of the oldest hawker centre that's located in Singapore. And one fun fact about the Newton Hawker Centre is that it's a third kind of hawker centre, which means it's actually situated between gardens and parks. The purpose of actually building and designing hawker centres in the earlier periods, such as the Newton Hawker Centre, was to actually create community dining rooms, promote social cohesion, moderate the cost of living, and share the same identity and experience beyond cultural differences for anyone and everyone in Singapore. From the video, we can actually understand and see that the hawker centre is actually well designed and built in correlation with the landscape. Firstly, focusing on the tables are actually mostly using the rectangular shapes, and it's actually quite long, and it's actually installed and fixed in a very systematical order, which gives good circulation space for users to move about. Moving on will be the tables, the circular tables with a shelter that is actually fixed on the, and it's also designed on the entrance. We feel that the design was actually influenced by the surrounding landscape such as trees. As mentioned earlier, the tables are fixed and it's quite long, and the tables are actually quite close to each other, which actually promotes the kampong spirit for everyone to eat together. And there's actually a good amount of circulation space between the stalls and the tables for users to move about freely. Moving on will be the bean center. The bean center is actually designed and built on towards the end of the hawker center, which makes it more neater and tidier. Beside the bin centers are actually the toilets for male and female. One unique thing about the toilets compared with the other hawker centers in Singapore is that the washing areas are actually designed open concept idea, which creates a kampong spirit where people can interact with one and another without any separation or boundaries. The one unique concept of the Newton Hawker Centre which makes it stand alone from the other hawker centres in Singapore is the open concept. The open concept actually allows users to actually connect with the surrounding landscape, which is the nature. The tables are actually designed and fixed in a very disorderly manner to actually allow good amount of airflow to pass through. Moving on will be the details and designs above each stores, which actually gives the feel of the olden kampong houses. In summary, we feel that the whole hawker centre is being designed based on the old kampong houses. So this is a rough floor plan of the Newton Hawker Centre. The two main things that we would like to focus on will be how the stores are actually being aligned and how is it being designed. And secondly will be the open concept of how the furniture such as the tables and chairs are actually being installed and fixed, which gives a good airflow and good circulation space for users to move about, and a good amount of natural air to flow within the hawker centre. Followed by is the section, and especially we decided to cut this sectional view is to actually show the roof pitch that actually is being influenced by the olden kampong houses, and also how the stalls are actually being crammed between each other.